Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the HyperX Alloy Origins mechanical gaming keyboard, and we're going to see the quality of the keyboard and what comes inside this box right here. So this keyboard has been designed for gaming, so let's open it up. It's actually quite heavy to hold into the keyboard. I thought it was light, but actually when I'm holding it, it was quite heavy. So it is really heavy. It's made out of aluminum alloy. It's coming in a grab here, so let's open up this grab. Alright, so we'll remove it. Now it has also 2 levels, or maybe 3 levels. Let me just double check. So 3 levels, you can have it flat. Then you got this one here, 1 flap, and then the second level. So you can have 3 levels with this keyboard right here. Now I think it also comes with a USB cable, so let's just check on this slot right here. Yes, it is. So it is underneath. So it comes with a braided USB cable. It is USB A and USB C. So it also is detachable, so you can attach it to the slot right here. Well, I purchased this keyboard from Amazon for $128 Australian dollars, so maybe around 70 US dollars. You'll probably be able to get it cheaper in the States. Now there's a slot right here where you can just simply plug it in like so, and it goes right in. Alright, so that's the keyboard right there, fairly heavy. It's got kind of like blue switches on this keyboard right here. So what does it feel like when we are typing on this mechanical keyboard? Okay, so let's look at the features on this keyboard here. It has detachable braided cables, full aircraft graded aluminum body, HyperX mechanical switches for responsiveness, reliability, and brighter lighting, and 3 adjustable keyboard angles. Now this is the tactile aqua blue. So this is the one that I've got right here, and this is what it sounds like. So this is what it sounds like. And at the top here, there are also 3 preset colors that you can choose on the keyboard. And I suppose if you install an app for this keyboard, you can make more customization as well. Okay, so on the box here, it's got the app called Ingenuity, and you need to download that so that you can adjust your RGB colors on the keyboard. Okay, so that's the keyboard right there. Let's plug it into the computer, and then we're going to test out and see what it looks like once it is plugged into the computer. Alright, so this is now plugged into the computer and the light is on, and you can see the light is very bright. It has actually a very colorful, bright color on the keys as well. Not just on the background, but on the keys is also very bright with colors. Okay, so if you press on the function keys, and then you can press on the preset color up here, that will allow you to change the colors on the keyboard. So that's pretty cool. And that is the colors on the HyperX keyboard. And you can see here I've got the Corsair K55. The color is not as bright as this one right here. And that's it. That is what you get inside your HyperX box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.